Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk through how to apply an ETA electronic travel authorization to travel to Guinea. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization or eVisa, you can say, Guinea has this facility. So this is a really good facility because you can apply it anytime and with the comfort of your place and everything. And a lot of countries have already migrated and some more will migrate into this kind of processing down the line because of the convenience it offers to both. All right, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this uh, Guinea Republic official visa website. So here the very first thing you need to do is to select your country that has issued a travel document because country specific requirements steps could be eligibility could be. If I select Canada, then condition tourist visa, valid for travel document, validity in yellow fever, pro procedure, apply visa online, and if your application successfully, visa letter has been granted, then proceed to the visa on arrival counter to get your visa. Okay. What are the documents you need? Passport, entry. Okay, when you arrive, sufficient funds to trigger return ticket. And this. Okay. All right. Fee is also given. Fine. Even for other kinds of visa, you have been given that for how you're gonna do it. Okay. Now let's say you want to apply for tourist visa. You click on apply now. So you're gonna put your email here. Click on verify email address. It will send a verification code. You're gonna enter that code here. And then you're going to enter this captcha and we are going to continue. So I'm going to do that and we'll see that. Okay guys, so after you are done with the first part, like validation, you come to this screen. Here you need to enter your travel information. So whatever I enter is like just sample. Of course I won't be submitting and paying the fee. And make sure these details match and verify everything at least 2 times, not just once, 2 times. Place of birth, country of birth. These things should match your passport to avoid any issues. Current nationality, marital status. You need to do as per your case. Place of correspondence. I'm just putting sample, but you do properly. Okay. Passport details. Okay, there are 5 parts. Okay. So the first part we finished. Since the second part, they're asking for the passport details, number, date, country. Third is visa type. So here we are gonna select long-term stay, multiple courtesy, transshipment. So we are going for entry visa, purpose of travel, tourist, arrival date, departure, the hotel where you're gonna stay, hotel phone number, address, local address, city. Of course, if you have done the booking, you definitely know that details. For mandatory upload, of course, like passport, return ticket. If you have done hotel booking, those things you can do. And then part 5, payment. You're gonna pay the fee. Of course, I'm not gonna do that. So in this way, like you can apply, and as it was described in the process before, Once granted, you get this uh, you get the email if it is granted, and then that you can use to travel, and then you can get your visa on your arrival. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.